When it comes to trading, trend is king. If you can identify the trend, you can trade in the direction of momentum and avoid being caught in choppy sideways markets. So in this video, we are breaking down the best trend indicators available inside MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. No need to install anything extra. All right. So let us just jump into the top 5 built-in trend indicators that every trader should know on MT4 and MT5. The first indicator we are going to be looking at is the moving averages. All right, the moving averages. Now, the exponential moving average actually gives more weight to recent price data, while the simple moving average smooths out price action over a longer period. But common settings, common settings like the 200 EMA and the 50 EMA, common settings like the 200 EMA and the 50 EMA help traders confirm trend direction. If the price is above the 200 EMA, the market is generally in an uptrend. Then if the price is below the 200 EMA, you are looking at a downtrend. All right. Exponential moving averages are also used for crossover strategies and dynamic support and resistance. All right. Now, the next indicator we are going to be looking at is the average directional index, the ADX indicator. All right. We're going to be looking at the ADX indicator next. Okay, now the ADX measures the strength of a trend, all right, not the direction. Readings above 25. Let us just let's go to the settings of this indicator. Let's go to the levels and let's add the 25 level, and let's also add the 20 level. All right. So basically, readings above 25 suggest a strong trend is in play. Now, I am just going to, because what we need to focus on is the ADX itself. So let's just remove this DI and yeah. So the ADX in the ADX line itself is what we're going to be focusing on. So when it is above the 25 level, it suggests that a strong trend is in play, whether it's an uptrend or a downtrend. The indicator just tells you the strength of the trend. Doesn't matter whether it's up or down. All right. While readings below 20 indicate low momentum or sideways market. So this is perfect for avoiding fake outs and noise. Now, the ADX line, along with the plus DI and minus DI lines, they give traders a clear view of whether the trend is worth trading or not. The next indicator we're going to be looking at is the MACD, the moving average convergence divergence. All right. So this is more than just a crossover tool. It is a momentum indicator that also reveals potential trend reversals. Okay, it consists of the MACD line and also the histogram bars. When the MACD line crosses above the signal line, the zero level, when it crosses, let's just use the zero level, right? When the MACD line crosses above the zero level, it often signals bullish momentum. When it crosses below the zero level, it signals bearish momentum. All right, so the histogram gives a great visual representation of momentum strength, making this a dual purpose tool for both trend following and momentum trading. All right. Now, the next indicator we are going to be looking at is the Parabolic SAR indicator, right? Now, the parabolic SAR, the SAR stands for stop and reverse. So it's parabolic stop and reverse. This is a visual trend following indicator that plots dots directly on the chart. When the dots are below price, the trend is considered bullish. When the dots are above price, the trend is considered bearish. This tool is great for trailing stop losses and identifying potential trend reversals with simplicity. Okay, it works best in trending markets and helps keep traders in trades longer during strong moves. Finally, we are going to discuss the Ichimoku Kinko Hayo. All right, this is last but not the least, the Ichimoku Kinko Hayo. Now, for the purpose of not clustering the chart, let's just remove this other indicator so we can see the Ichimoku Kinko Hayo clearly. All right, so that we can see it clearly. The other indicators are just making things quite confusing. All right, now this is also known as the Ichimoku cloud. All right, it's one of the most comprehensive indicators for trend trading. It shows you trend direction, support and resistance, and momentum all in one glance. The cloud, which is the Kumo, the cloud itself acts as dynamic support and resistance. Then we have the Tenkan Sen, and the Kijun Sen. These lines help with signals and entries. While it looks complex at first, once mastered, this is one of the most powerful indicators on the platform. All right. So all these indicators are already available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Okay, and they work on every major currency pair. In fact, they work on all the assets. Right? So it doesn't matter whether you are trading Forex pairs, you are trading stocks or indices, you can take advantage of all these indicators. Whether you are trading on the 15-minute chart or the daily time frame, these trend tools are essential to understand the bigger picture. Okay? But ensure that when using any of these indicators, whether you are using them together or you are using them individually, do not neglect risk management. All right? Don't trade with an amount you can't afford to lose, and do not over leverage. So if you got value from this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a future upload. Drop a comment and tell us what is your go-to trend indicator on MetaTrader. Let us learn from each other and build better setups together. Stay sharp, stay disciplined, and I'll see you in the next video.